Hi guys, Paul here from Muscle Car UK again. We've got a stunning 289 Mustang Classic Convertible for you here. Possibly one of the best in the country, I would imagine. This has had a full restoration, literally nut and bolt all the way through it. The underneath of this car is as spectacular as it is on top. It's all been done correct, red oxide all the way through. I think every single part seems to have been renewed or restored, and it is absolutely stunning. Hopefully we get a chance to get it on one of our ramps in the Mustang workshop, and we'll do a video of underneath as well, so you can see that this really is top end car. Beautifully done. It was restored late last year for a gentleman, for his wife. She had owned it for some time. He sent it away to a company called Velocity who do restorations. They did the full restoration, brought it back, and unfortunately she didn't like it because it would look like a new car, and she liked it being an old car that she'd had for many years. So, cut long story short, it was put up for sale and we were lucky enough to purchase it. But look at this stunning colour. This is Sauterne gold, which is quite a rare colour, and it was from new. All the data tags etc say that that was the car from new, with the Palomino interior, which it's got. Obviously it's all been renewed, as you can see, so the paintwork is absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning, and it really is smooth and beautiful to the touch. And of course at the front here you've obviously got all new chrome. All in here has been painted, all underneath, so the whole thing's been done, looks like on a rotisserie. You've got the pony and the corral here, and of course this is a 66 car, so it has the more flat front as opposed to the more diamond. So this is the sort of, although they were all called the sort of first generation, this was one of the very first. Slightly different dials, but we'll get into that on the interior when we get there. But if we come down the side here, we've got these Magnum wheels again with these beauty rings, and it even went to the point of getting the double red band tyres on it, which I think are really special, and they really do make it look gorgeous. And it's a classic tyre that it's got on there as well, but just stunning. So it really does look beautiful. Again, it's got beautiful chrome badging, chrome sills, and if you just follow the line along the car, it's absolutely beautiful. All the wheel arches are sharp. You know, there's no loads of filler in there or anything like that. It's a proper California car, really good solid car. Again, if you come round to the back, you can see, which is rather nice. I quite like these. It gives a little bit of a period look to it. It has this luggage rack, which I suppose a picnic hamper tied up would look rather nice on the back. You can see the Velocity badge here, who done the work. So let's have a look inside the boot. You can see it as it all should be. It's all been painted correctly, all in the seams and the sills and everywhere, and where the water runs, it's all been done correctly. Spare wheel in here, as you can see. Again, still got even the red band tyres on the spare wheel. All beautifully done, all beautifully painted. And all through it's all been done correctly. All looks gorgeous in here and underneath. It's all been done in the correct colour, which is the Sauterne gold. But beautiful. New gas cap with a Mustang sign on it. Beautiful bumper all the way through. Just a really special car, this. Again, the interior has been done in this Palomino, which is the colour it was from new, and it's got the pony interior, which, as you can see, embossed into the seats. You can see the running horses, the running Mustangs obviously, but even the seat belts have been done the correct colour. So the seat belts are done. Carpets are beautiful, they're brand new. Center console, it looks new. You've got the air conditioning control there, which is obviously a vintage air Ford original front to it. You've got the sort of the retro look radio, which is all digital under there, but it obviously looks like it should be. But all this has been painted as well, all in here. It's all new dashboard. It's got a new Rallye pack, which is lovely to see. They were quite a rare thing in their day. You can buy these new, and I would suggest that is a new one that's been put on there. But it's lovely to have that, because that was an option. Lovely bit of wood trim here, as you can see. And the dials from the 65, where the speedometer used to go up and down or horizontally, they changed obviously to the round dials, which is very pretty. But if you can get a chance to look round here, maybe Grant, you can see it's been finished correctly. In the door shuts has all been done properly, all through into the door jambs, and then obviously down here you've got the original plate on here, which shows that it was done, it was this colour. It was born in, I think it is, the date code there, is that the 4th of V, which is, so it's the 4th of August, 1966. DSO 61, which my memory recalls is Texas. Was it Dallas? Yeah, Dallas, Texas, I think. So it went into Dallas to start with. And again, this tells you all the VIN number, so you can see it's a 66, made in Dearborn. And it was a C code car, which means it was originally a 289 car, 2-barrel carburettor. But an absolute beautiful car. And have a look under the bonnet, they didn't scrimp there either. Oh, well, that's one thing I should mention, is they've had Wilwood brakes, disc brakes fitted to the front as well, so it really has that modern feel to it. And it's got rack and pinion steering, again another upgrade, so it really does drive like a modern car. It's not, as you would imagine, some normal convertible of this age. It has been upgraded beautifully but subtly, so you can see that it's, you know, has been done correctly. As you can see, we've got the air conditioning unit on the top here with the correct, even the correct tags, Ford air conditioner, and you can see you've got Ford Motor Company hoses, etc. So you can see on here those are all correct, so that it does really just fit the bill. Again, I don't know if you can come in here, Grant, and you can see the Wilwood brake setup here. So it's got a tremendous setup for the brakes. Obviously it's all chromed on the rocker covers. The block is, the engine block is blue, which obviously it should be. It's fitted with a nice air filter 289. But just look at the, you know, down the sides of here, you know, this is all satin black, so this engine would have been out when it was restored and reconditioned, and you can see all in here this is all satin black. Chassis underneath is all beautiful, it all looks like this. Again, as I always say, have a look at the paint under the bonnet, and it's just as good as the top. So this is quite a spectacular car. They've even gone to the extent on this, it's obviously got electric power hood, which is always fabulous to have, and they've put a Mohair hood on it. So it's got that thick sort of hood, which I'll show you shortly when it goes up, which is great for sound deadening and for warmth. So no expense spared, truthfully, on this car. And if you're looking for one of the best, I would imagine this has got to be it. Certainly worth checking out if you're in the market for something very special. If you want to take it to Spain or anything like that, it will, you know, you can go down there and enjoy the car, and it hasn't been restomodded too badly, so you should be able to get it registered in most of the European countries just because it's a historic car. So let's have a look at the roof operation, how that works, and we'll see if you like that. Just sitting in this car, it's absolutely beautiful. Just the way the door trims, the Deluxe chrome all the way around it. It's got the speakers put in correctly into the floor. It's absolutely gorgeous. It really is a fabulous place to sit. And if you want the roof to come up, you just press the button and up it comes. And have a look at the quality of the roof. It's a Mohair roof. So as I said, it's the best quality you can get. And it's as easy as that. Couple of little clips in and off you go. So if you're looking for a fabulous convertible Mustang, then this is it. This must have cost in the region of 70,000-80,000 just to restore this car without buying the car. So this does represent good value if you have got that in your pocketbook. So come down, have a drive of it. We've got 3 or 4 of these that have come in. I don't think we'll be getting any more this year, to be truthful, because they're hard to find in this condition. And come and see what colour you like and choose one. Hope to speak to you soon. You'll see the number coming up here shortly. So give Paul or Martin a call at Muscle Car UK. We're not far from Gatwick Airport. We're halfway between Gatwick Airport and Brighton. So not far to come, hopefully. We'll always pick you up from any airport. That goes without saying. Okay, take care.